So now as we have activated all-in-one WP migration, so here three options will be getting: export, import or backup. So simply you can export your complete website backup to your system as well, or you can save it in the drive as well, right? Export, that means you are saving or transferring the data outside, and import, that means from outside you are taking the data. So here just will be clicking on export. So here the option you can see export to. Whenever you click on this one, so it is up to you from where you want to export your website data, right? So file, that means here if the file will be selecting, it will be saving into your system. The other option are there like FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive. So these are the cloud platform. If you have the access, definitely you can go and directly you can save your website complete data with themes and design as well. So just now we'll be clicking on the file. So it will be analyzing the website file size as well. So now here it will be taking all your images or your videos or your design, your forms as well, right? So here we can see uh, the file size is 132 MB, right? So once you click on this, that file, it will be downloaded in your system, and timely you have to take your website backup, right? So in future, by mistake or if any error comes to your website, definitely you again, so you can go to again your all-in-one WP migration, and from here you will be selecting on import, right? So if you'll be selecting on import, that file you can select it and you can upload it here. In the same format, website